A very good morning to all of you. In this class, we will learn comprehension. So what is comprehension? The word comprehension means the ability to understand what you read or what you listen. For example, before reading or before listening some passage that will occur unseen or unknown to you. But after going through the passage with your dedication, you will find the passage is really comprehensible, right? So you will get an unseen passage in your examination. First, you need to learn the passage with your utmost devotion. Read out all the unknown words and try to grab the main theme of the comprehension. You have to handle the passage very diligently. One suggestion I can give you, while reading any sort of passage, that can be a report, that can be a story, paragraph, an essay, anything it can be, while reading that, try to find out the unknown words and try to figure out what it means. Then you can make your own sentences with that newfound word. In this way, your vocabulary will be enriched, and in your comprehension passage also, you will get certain words which you need to decode on your own. So, in a way, you will be helping yourself to build an enriched vocabulary, right? So, let us proceed with today's comprehension class. The chapter is Cats Big and Small. This is included in your grammar book. Those who have received their books, they can find in page number 47. Those who did not receive their books yet, don't worry students. This material you will get in the study material section. So before you start listening to my class, please go to the study material section and download the material and keep that open in front of you so that you will have no difficulty in understanding. So let us begin. Cats big and small. Have you ever thought that the household cat looked like a tiger or a leopard? Have you ever noticed the cat is very used to us, right? So we have seen a cat everywhere in our domestic lives. So have you ever noticed that the cat is very similar to lion or tiger? The cat, tiger, leopard and lion are all members of the same family of animals. So what are they? Cat, tiger, lion, leopard, they all belong to the same family of cats. The feline family. Members of the feline means what? The cattish or cat-like family. Members of the cat family are hunters. Those who seek, chase and kill their prey. So what are the characteristics of the family members? They often hunt, they often catch the prey and they seek and chase. Some cats are wild and the others tame. Some are wild and others are very easy to tame. The tiger, lion and leopard belong to the wild type. We all know, right? That is why they live in jungle. The household cats are the tame kind and are kept as pets. How many of you keep cat as your pets? Some other wild cats are the puma, cheetah and panther. Cats kept as pets include the Persian. Persian is a cat of long hair breed and a round face. Then Siamese. Siamese is what? That is a short hair breed of domestic type. And then comes what? The Manx cats, besides the ordinary striped cats. So the Manx cats, that is a domestic cat of a breed created with short hair and cobby body. So it is created with short hair, and cobby means very stout body structure. Cats are great hunters, though not good runners. So maybe they cannot run fast, but they can hunt very well. They can run short distances at a great speed and can jump on a long way. They have strong jaws and sharp teeth. So these are the features of a cat. While reading that, please have a pencil with you and underline this. Their claws are hooked and sharp, which can be drawn out and retracted back. Retracted back means brought back. So they can open their claws and they can bring it back again into their paws. Cats are generally nocturnal hunters. What do you mean by nocturnal? That is nightly or generally active during night time, right? So cats generally hunt during the night. That is, they catch their prey at night. Yes, that means they can see in the dark too. How does a cat catch its prey? It crouches down with its body close to the ground and creeps forward towards the prey. So now this is the style of a cat, how to hunt or how to catch its prey. This is also something to be underlined. All cats are experts at this approach called stalking. So this approach is called what? Stalking. Mice are a cat's favorite prey. We all know. The cat will sit for hours without a sound or movement, waiting for the mouse to come out of its hole. The mouse almost never escapes as the cat has to remain quiet and surprise the mouse. It always hunts alone. So the cat, it always loves to hunt alone. It is very quiet and sits. It will just jump over it and catches it. Cats are clean animals and often clean their fur. They will fiercely fight back if someone attacks them. They always fall on their feet and don't get injured easily. Why? Because they often always fall on their feet. That is why they do not get injured so easily. The two largest members of the feline family are the lion and the tiger. The lion is sometimes called the king of the beasts. It is found on the Great Plains of Africa. In India, we can see lions in the Gir Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat. We can see those lions in the Gir Sanctuary that is situated in Gujarat. Unlike other cats, the lion likes to roar loudly and hunt in company with other lions. Now this is also something to be underlined. Why? Because you can find a difference here. The lions are different from the cats. Unlike cats, the lions like to hunt being in a group and it often roars while finding its prey. And the cat, it always tries to be silent and always hunts alone. India's national animal is what? Tiger. The brownish yellow coats marked with broad black strips makes this creature look magnificent and dangerous. Beauty and terror at the same time. Some cats are dangerous to man. The leopard kills for pleasure as well as for food. Sometimes leopards wander into villages and eat domestic animals or even attack a human being. So these are the characteristics of a leopard. You please underline this. The cheetah, a type of leopard, is the fastest runner in the cat family. Another information, the cheetah, it is the fastest runner in their family. You also underline this. From childhood, we grow up listening to stories about cats. In stories, the cat and mouse are portrayed as enemies. Are you getting reminded of something? As in the cartoon series Tom and Jerry, right? This is my favorite cartoon so far. What is yours? Definitely this. In the stories of Shikari Shambhu, the hunter catches a tiger or a leopard, but always by fluke. Fluke means what? It's fortune. Mowgli's enemy in the Jungle Book is a lame tiger, that is Sher Khan. This is also very known to us, right? How many of you read Jungle Book, or have you followed the cartoon? The series was also published and one of my favorites. There are many idioms that refer to cats. For example, let the cat out of the bag. Do you know the meaning of this idiom? The cat out of the bag means disclose a secret, right? Means to make a secret publicly known. You will find several such idioms and sayings under the entry cat in a dictionary. So it's time to pounce on your dictionary. Now students, just pounce on your dictionary right now and find out as many as you can the idioms written on cats, right? Here we have learned one. Now we will proceed to the exercise. Choose the correct answers. Though this exercise should be done on your own, you cannot take anyone's help. Then also, this is the first comprehension class we are solving here. So, I'll help you with the answers. From next time, you will try to solve on your own, right? So, choose the correct answers. Some members of the cat family are, 3 options are given. And the correct options will be lions, panthers, leopards and cheetahs. Which of the following cats is not kept as a pet? 3 options are given again: Persian cat, Manx cat and puma. As we all know, puma belongs to the wild cat family and it cannot be kept as pet. So this answer will be puma. Cats generally hunt in the morning, in the afternoon or at night. Obviously at night, as we have mentioned that it is a nocturnal animal. Which member of the cat family hunts in groups? Which member? The lions. I told you the lions are unlike the other cats. The Gir Wildlife Sanctuary is in where? Gujarat. Dictionaries contain what? Several idioms and sayings on cats. The idiom let the cat out of the bag means make a secret public. Now, certain questions are given. Let us answer. What are the 2 general types of cats? You can mention any 2. Like I have mentioned lion and tiger. What is special about the cat's claws? We have read cat's claws are very sharp and hooked, which can be drawn out and retracted back to their paws. Why does a cat hunt alone? Because cat is always quiet, as it loves to surprise its prey. That is why it hunts alone. What happens to a cat when it falls? It always falls on their feet and don't get injured easily. Write something about the appearances of tigers. As I told you to underline the features, so you can write. The brownish yellow coats marked with broad black stripes make this creature look very magnificent and dangerous at the same time. It is called the national animal of India, right? Which is the fastest cat? The cheetah. A type of leopard is the fastest cat of the cat's family. What makes the lion different from other cats? The lions like to roar and often love to hunt being in a group, that is not similar to the other cats. Who is Sher Khan? As we know, Sher Khan is a fictional Bengal tiger and the main antagonist of Rudyard Kipling's Jungle Book. It was born with a crippled leg and was derisively nicknamed as Langdi by its mother, means the lame one. So it was very arrogant and an enemy to the character Mowgli. Name a famous cat cartoon character. It is obviously Tom. Tom is a very famous cat cartoon character which is a part of the famous American animated series of comedy created in the year 1940 by William Hanna and Joseph Barbera. Write 3 idioms that refer to cats with the help of a dictionary. As we have learned one, we will write 3 others on your own. I have written 3. You can also write except this. A copycat. A copycat means who likes to imitate others' actions. A cat in gloves catches no mice. Means too polite. If you are being too polite, you might not be able to achieve your goal. Dead cat bounce means here it is a reference to the automatic rise of the financial market, automatic recovery of the financial market. So, I have read the passage for you. I have solved the exercise as well. Now, you will get this passage. Please do download that. Read, try to answer on your own. Whenever you have a difficulty, you can go to the worksheet section. The answers will be given there. You can follow that. So, please do read well. Not this passage, except this also you can read many more. Nowadays, many burning topics are coming into focus. You can read newspaper daily. You can make your own comprehension passage and you can answer the questions. You can decode the meaning of the difficult or unknown words. It will help you to enrich your vocabulary, as I said. So, this class ends here. We will meet in the next class with something new. Until then, please read well, take care of yourself, have a great day ahead. Thank you.